keep it juicy, juicy. I eat that lunch. She keep that booty, booty. She keep that plump, yeah. That nice beauty, beauty.
Welcome back to my channel. So you know your girl Brittany is here, and today I'm about to show you how I apply my everyday simple makeup. So guys, if you want to see how I do that, just keep on watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments down in that comment section. Let your girl know what you think about this look. Okay, after you prime your eyelid, what you want to do, you want to apply some shadows. Okay, can't make it facey, it's not cute, right? So we're gonna take this nude palette from Jacqueline and Murph to just brings up the lid. We're gonna use this, and this. That's all. I'm just gonna. So we just brings it up so it looks a little bit presentable. Then we're going with the brown. Then we're gonna go in with a deeper brown. When I do not excitement, it's really just something quick and easy. Yeah, that's it. When I do not more. No more dry. Take our moisturizer to just moisturize our face. The foundation, and today we're gonna use the Maybelline Superstay in 370 and the Juvia's Place Pantana. Now we're blending out the foundation here, tapping motion. After we're done applying foundation, we're gonna conceal. You know, when I do nothing fancy today, just a little silk something, cut and go through. Again, nothing too fancy. Just a cut and go through for them today. So we're gonna blend out that concealer with our beauty blender. Then we're gonna set our concealer with our Sacha Buttercup. When we finish setting the concealer, I'm going to set the foundation with our setting powder. So for today, we're going to take L'Oreal True Match. Look how much is she? No, look how much I'm gonna do it. Back some color into her face. Take off that powder effect with a Mario body spray. We're just gonna pop on some lip gloss. We ain't do nothing too fancy. Just some lip gloss. I have a video on how I apply my false lashes, so I'm gonna put that down in the description as well, so you guys can go and check it out also. Yes guys, so this is the finishing look. This is how I do my everyday simple makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching.